Welcome to This Explainer. Let's unpack why standard kitchen cleaning in Joburg might actually be threatening your health.
So, let's dive right in. Just because your counters look spotless doesn't mean they're actually chemically safe.
True safety needs a log 5 kill rate. That means wiping out 99.999% of dangerous bacteria, like E. coli.
But get this, most retail spray and wipes totally fail here unless the surface stays visibly wet for 30 seconds. If you just spray and immediately wipe, you're literally leaving nasty bugs alive and well right on your counter.
To make things worse, Joburg's notoriously hard municipal water actually stops your cleaning products from lathering properly.
Add in our local cooking styles like stubborn brie grease and heavy curry pastes, fat deposits just multiply. That's exactly why basic dish soap can't disinfect. They're engineered to do two completely different jobs, you know?
The real fix is a two-step clean. Strip the fat first with dish soap, then hit it with disinfectant.
Step 1 needs a high-quality anionic surfactant like Ntobi's Super Bright to cut right through that hard Joburg water. For step 2, Ntobi's Pine Disinfectant uses phenolic compounds to totally obliterate leftover bacteria while tackling like grease. Check out how exact these dilution ratios are. Real disinfection needs precision, not just splashing chemicals into a bucket.
High contact spots like sink basins and drain traps are ground zero. Nasty gram-negative bacteria multiply there within hours.
That's exactly why commercial kitchens in Johannesburg face super strict environmental health guidelines to stop cross-contamination cold.
So when checking commercial products, always verify the active ingredients, the pH rating, and those official food-safe certifications. Here's a golden rule: alkaline products strip away grease, while acidic ones dissolve that stubborn mineral scale around taps. But here's the catch. Buying these crucial chemicals at retail supermarkets is going to drastically inflate your per-unit costs. Instead, sourcing bulk concentrates directly from a wholesaler like Ntobi completely wipes out those painful retail markups. Ultimately, bulk commercial-grade concentrates give you vastly superior hygiene at a way cheaper per-liter rate than branded retail stuff. So look at your own routine. Are you sacrificing genuine chemical hygiene just for a quick, visually clean wipe?